Bjorn Freudenthal, Homeowner Advisor with New Spaces. I've been with New Spaces for the last 4 years. I've known Sean and Doug for over 20 years, and I've been building and remodeling in the Twin Cities for a quarter century.
Jennifer McClellan with New Spaces Design-Build Remodeling. I have been with New Spaces for 12 years. I love what I do, and I love meeting people and exploring possibilities.
So in a nutshell, what Jen and I do is that we help people live better. We change people's lives, and we do that with an initial consultation where we basically take on a brainstorming approach. We evaluate what your home does really well for you right now and maybe what it needs some help with. We go through something that we've developed for a long period of time. It's called our Needs, Wants, and Wishes worksheet. It's one of the most effective tools I've ever seen in this industry of just getting succinctly down to the priority schedule on what people are looking for. It helps us to know a little bit more about how they think and what might make them live better. The reality is that sometimes our folks want to stay in their home forever, and we call that creating a master plan for their forever home. And what that means is simply setting the home up to ebb and flow and allow them to do whatever they want to do in their home over time.
When we do these designs, we're always thinking about not just this phase of life. We're thinking about how the home is going to change and the client's needs are going to change in the future. We really try to come up with a comprehensive plan that helps them be able to live better in their home, not just today, but forever.
And we tend, as parents, we tend to think about children as in their state where they're at right now and not think about the dynamic lives and how our homes maybe even need to change as the kids grow older. Our process is very unique, and I think that's one of the strengths of our team, and that's maybe something that Jen and I spend most of the time talking to folks about.
Generally speaking, Bjorn and I interview people and we learn about how they're living today and what they want to change about their space. From there, we match them with one of our award-winning designers, and our designers explore 3 unique possibilities for them so they can really try things out before they commit to buying the project.
The reason we create 3 unique plans is that we don't know everything about our clients yet, but in our process, it's designed to reveal all the different things. I've not met one single human being in the past 25 years who's able to succinctly describe everything they want and need. Our process, when showing them 3Ds, helps them see and envision more, which helps us build upon the vision, and that's how we create the most comprehensive forever plan for our clients.